Hello everyone. We'll start with our completed project. It's our first encounter as an architect to design a public building dealing with a complex social subject for creating a bridge between society and marginalized people. Intention was to create experiential and familiar space for the community by subverting external facade and iconic forms for the social equity. Simple articulation of walls and ground plane produces a variety of spaces to serve the function and gives the broader sense of publicness. It is one of the ongoing schools in Northeast India. Here, by respecting existing trees and boulders, classrooms are arranged as per the site contours. This design initiated to create nurturing environment that celebrates creativity and interaction. Inward orientation gives the feeling of community nurtured and immediate and intimate relationship to the landscape, produces a sense of outdoor learning. The fenestrations are designed in order to protect from heavy rain, maximize suffused day lighting and ventilation. Meandering corridors allows variety of spaces, accidental and casual interactions. Another ongoing school at Northeast India. New planning strategy is generated by observing the behavioral pattern of the students to the natural topography. Based on that, instead of conventional grand entry point and foyer, we have given multiple narrow access like their traditional villages by finding their habitual path. It's one of the day-to-day experiment with the pastel pencil sketch for analyzing space, form and meaning. When three different objects from the different families come together to form a new relationship through space, the independent meaning of an object is either blended or both lose their separate meanings to form a new meaning. Based on the above analysis, another community school at Karbi Along is under design development stage. In the traditional Karbi villages, trellis and hut with the bamboo jali and sloping roof are having their own individual identity. An attempt is to rearrange the same elements in the contemporary way without losing their own functional identities to form the new spatial experiences and aesthetics of meaning. Organization of trellis as a central congregational space with the placement of ramp and bridges creates exciting space configuration surrounded by classroom with the perforated facade act as a breathing element. A typical program of a farmhouse is modified after the long discourse with client to establish a relationship with the community. Basic shelter is designed by dissolving the traditional idea of a house as a one building through the fragmentation of functions and linking through mounds, water ponds, pathways, and plantation of trees. We found looking at the same function in the different ways create complexity which opens various possibilities to design. Through this process, we realize new notions, new aesthetics, new meanings, as well as new spatial experiences can be derived. A pencil sketch made by using different man made objects with a particular arrangement to produce fourth mystifying form. The attempt was to disrupt any dogmatic view of the physical world, alienation of an object from its own habitual context so that the purpose would become unknown or at least be altered. It would also serve to enlarge our experience of them, which otherwise tends to be bound by the utility and guarded by the common sense. Similarly, we have experimented with placing a rolling shutter as a ready-made object at the residential place to free the object from its impacted meaning by situating outside its own premises. The space with an object engages the fundamental questions like identity, purity, and existence. Our practice focuses on reorganization, improvisation, rehabilitation, and transformation of intangible and tangible elements of the surroundings to create spaces which embrace and celebrate the complexities of the real world. Thank you.